Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 7. Expressing concern for someone.
Why weren't you at school yesterday?
I wasn't really feeling well.
What was wrong with you?
My stomach was upset.
Do you feel better now?
I don't really feel too well yet.
Do you want anything to make you feel better?
No, thanks. I already took some medicine.
I hope you feel better.
Thank you. What reason do you have for missing school?
I was sick.
How were you sick?
I had a stomach ache.
Did it get any better?
I'm still feeling under the weather.
Would you like anything for your stomach?
I took something earlier.
Get better.
Thanks a lot. Why didn't you go to school yesterday?
I stayed home because I wasn't feeling well.
What was your problem?
My stomach was bothering me.
Are you feeling any better?
I'm still feeling a little sick.
I'm going to the store. Would you like any Pepto-Bismol?
That's okay.
I hope you feel better.
I'd appreciate that.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.